So what I'm going to show you now is how to do victory rolls. I'm going to do 2 simple victory rolls, one on either side of Rachel's head, and leave the rest of it down and curly. As you can see, we've already curled Rachel's hair, but if you want to learn how to curl using straighteners, please check out our previous video. Okay, so first step for the victory rolls, we're going to do 2 simple victory rolls, one on either side. To start with, we're going to section the hair right down the centre, right to the top of the ear, and we're not going to need this back section. We're going to use this to roll up. So what we're going to do first, to make it easier, add a little bit of volumizing powder. So we're just going to sprinkle this in at the roots and then just rub that in. So the volumizing powder is going to make the hair more texturized, which is going to make it easier to backcomb because the hair's going to stick together. So we're going to backcomb this whole section, starting from the top. Take a small section, and then we're backcombing, pulling the hair down, just literally in and then down. And then next section. Pull the hair up and comb in, and just pulling the hair down to create some structure for the victory roll. And same again. Back comb. Okay, on this last section, I want this bit to be neat, so I'm going to back comb the inside instead. Okay, and spray that. Next, I'm going to use this back combing brush to smooth over the hair. So grab hold of all the hair you've just back combed. So it looks a bit of a mess, but what we're going to do is just smooth all this out, and then we're ready to do the roll. I'm just going to add some spray to get rid of any little wispy hairs. Okay, so once your hair is nice and smooth, comb through to the ends. I'm going to add a little bit of hairspray at the ends as well. So you're going to bring the hair right up, and then where we've curled the hair, you've got a natural curl. And we're just going to curl this, wrap this around your fingers, and then we're going to roll down and backwards. And just pushing that little bit in at the front so we can see the roll. And now we're going to pop a hair grip in. So take your hair grip right at this edge here, grab as much hair as you can, and then just push it through. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that's all nice and neat, and then I'm going to add another hair grip. I'm going to make sure you've got a good shape. Okay, now we're going to do the roll on the other side. So again, sectioning the hair down to the ear, and then we're going to back comb this section, starting from the top. Okay, so now I'm going to use my back combing brush to smooth over where we've just back combed. And now again, I'm going to use a natural curl from where we've curled the hair previously to roll it round with fingers, and then just roll all the way down so that the rolls meet at the front of the head. Okay, I'm just going to grab a hair grip, hold that for me, and take one grip, not that one. And one more to make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, and then we're just going to neaten that up. Thank you. So just making sure all the little hairs are all neatly hairsprayed down. And that's how you create victory rolls.